Alright, in this video, I'm gonna tell you to view everything as a geometry. This is really variable because once I know this, alright, so basically, here's how you do it. So, alright, I'm gonna go with this first. Alright, listen, right? The way to view this thing is not like, okay, this is the character right here, this is the various views. No, nothing like that. As a designer, you have to view things differently. So, here's what I learned so far, is that this wheel isn't a wheel. It's a it's a circles, right? This isn't a wheel, it's a circle. So basically the things that I'm trying to say is that break it down to the geometric shape and you're gonna see better of the whole compositions, if you know what I mean. Because after you know the whole compositions, you're gonna be able to realize that, oh, this is the shape and the whole compositions kind of make more sense. Even though logically it's not accurate with the games. Like for example, in the Prox world, right? The wheels, the fairy wheels isn't that big or isn't that small to equivalent to the character size. But like it makes sense in a way because like it shaped the circle, the shape that I want. So overall, what I see here is not the characters right here. It's not this character, it's not the water park here. It's the triangle shape. Now do you see it? Now, like this actually makes more sense. I'm gonna figure it out. So it's not this. It's not this. It's this triangle shape. Now do you see what I mean now? Okay, let's go to the second example. This one is the commission work that I did for architects. It's the UGC branding. And okay, for this one, what do you see? Now, I'm gonna let you guess first. Right, you're correct. It's the diagonal line here. Let me show you. The thing is that when I work on it, I realized that I can shape these characters into a diagonal line right here. So now compositions makes more sense because once you see everything isn't the same thing. I mean, like if you see everything as a geometric shape, everything is going to be much easier for you to arrange stuff, compose stuff, right? So look at this. Now it's a diagonal line. Diagonal line creates movement. If you want interesting scene, use diagonal line. So here's the point that I want to say. So you can see here, and there's a lot of white space right here. What I did is like I used the informations, the typography, to compose it right here. Now it makes more sense, right? Let's go to the next example. This one again. Alright, so this one is commissioned by Berry Fields. It's a Homestore Games, which, look at this. Now, the first thing you see is, alright, look at this. It creates this shape. Creates this shape. Rip. And this. You see? Everything kind of makes sense now, right? Now you can see the right triangle. Not mathematics here, but like, yeah. You get the point, right? View everything as a geometric shape and compositions is going to be much easier. Try that. So look at this. This one is basically it leads right here. Leads right over here. Leads right over here. And it's going to make like this geometric shape. So basically the point of this video that I want to say is that just try to view everything as a geometric shape when you're working with compositions or anything really, because anything isn't really an object, right? It's just a shape. Everything is a shape. Like for example, my face, here's a circle, and myself right here is the line, just lines. View everything as that, and it's gonna help you a lot more. Thanks me later. At the end of the day, you're the star. Peace out.